I'm going to show you how to make an excellent egg fried rice. It's very simple to make with just a few ingredients and little preparation. You can enjoy it as a complete meal. For this recipe, I used jasmine rice. You can either use leftover rice from the previous day or freshly cooked rice. For cooking the rice, you can watch my video, link in the description. To ensure the fried rice has a good texture, use slightly less water than usual for cooking. 14 ounces of water for 2 cups of rice. If using freshly cooked rice, fluff it up to break apart the crumbs. Then, spread it out to allow the steam to escape, which will make the rice less moist, and let it cool. Here, I'm using leftover rice and I have about 4 cups. Put it in a large container. Dip your hands in water to prevent the rice grains from sticking to them. Then, break up the crumbs. Add the 6 egg yolks. Mix to cut away the grains with the yolk. Finely chop 3 spring onions. Heat a pan on high heat. When the pan is hot, add the 3 tablespoons of vegetable oil. When the oil is hot, add the rice. Spread it out and leave it for 1 minute. Then flip it and leave it for another minute. Then stir it for 3 minutes. The egg yolk is rich in fat, which helps the rice grains to sear without drying out and remain well separated. Add the egg whites. Stir for 1 minute still on high heat. Then continue 2 more minutes on medium heat. The egg whites cook faster than the yolks. Add the 1/3 cup of corn, half teaspoon of salt, half teaspoon of ground pepper. Stir for 1 minute. Add the spring onions, briefly stir and turn off the heat. The egg fried rice is ready. Bon appétit! By separating the egg whites and the yolks, we can control their cooking. This allows the rice grain to remain separate. Coat it with yolk for great flavor and beautiful color. Thank you. See you at the next homemade dish on Morgan Recipes.